Hi, my tarot bumblebees. My name is Ethony and welcome to my channel. I'm a witch, I'm not an angel. You know me, I'm a weirdo. I made that up. I stand by it. I am a professional tarot reader and teacher and eclectic witch.
I'm a very excitable person.
Yes!
Tea time, motherfucker! Pasta la vista!
I have been practicing the craft and reading the tarot for over 20 years.
You can do it!
Yes.
Next.
I love to share what I'm deeply passionate about, and that is introducing people to their own inner wisdom through the tarot and modern witchcraft.
You made it! Who loves homework?
I create new content every week.
I wanna be popular.
You can't take me. So if you want to learn how to read the tarot either for yourself or as a profession, and want to learn about modern witchcraft and how you can engage your practice fully, make sure you subscribe to my channel.
She's a woman! Oh, hello, Bee.